Hello and welcome to my studio. So I'm Claudia from handmade.es and today I'm doing a special video for me because a few months ago I was moving to this new flat and we were looking for inspiration to create this studio, and honestly I couldn't find videos on YouTube that inspired me. There was not a lot about artists showing their studios, and I could find on Instagram shots from people who were sharing things inside their studio, and I was so curious to know how they storage their things, which tools did they use, yeah, how did they set it up. And I couldn't find enough inspiration. Everything was so Pinteresty, the things that I was searching, finding. So I decided to do this video, and I said, okay, once you have your studio done, you will record it and you will do this video for other people in your situation. So I hope this helps you. And yeah, I'll welcome you through my phone and I will go around and show you the things. Okay, so welcome to my studio. This is how it looks from the door. We have some plants and decorations here. And this side, it's from my boyfriend. He's much clean and tidy than me. And the messy side, it's mine. So here's where I keep some samples from weddings. Then down here I have some materials for painting. This box, it's for stationery. And then down here I have some books. Then here I have all the electronics, so things that you may be interested in. This is the microphone that I usually use. This is a tripod. Then I have my sewing materials here. And here I have this truck from IKEA, where I keep all my watercolor supplies. So I have here these that are liquid watercolors. Then I also have these that are brushes and they are watercolor too. Then all my palettes. Then down here I have my jars and the paper and some more palettes. And down here I have the papers. Then moving to my table, what we can see here, it's an arm holder that you simply hold on the table. And honestly, I've been looking for something like this for years and I never found a good one. They always sell these ones that they are curly. I think they call it octopus or something like this. I don't really like them because they really don't stand well the phone, and this one, it works pretty well for me. So when I just set it up like this, I can easily record my table. So it's working very well for Instagram posts or some videos too. So coming back to the table, then I also have here a light, my computer connected to another screen. Then here it's where I storage most of my paintings. This is also from IKEA. I have some of my favorite paintings here. This webcam that I recently bought, which I'll leave the link on the description. I really love it. It's the image is super light and I don't know, I just enjoy it a lot. And it has much better quality than the MacBook Pro camera. So this is my keyboard, and I also have the mouse from Apple. Then this is my planner. What else? So here I have my bottle of water, my glass. This is my iPad with the cover. And then this is a stand for the iPad that my boyfriend bought for me. And it's really good. You can move the inclination. And it works really well for me. So here I have it with the Apple pencil. Then I have my brushes here and other pens and stationery tools. And down, oh yeah, here you can see the microphone. It's super simple. Actually, I should use the arm now, the arm holder, but anyway. So this is the microphone. It was cheap and it works well. So I'll leave also the link. And then the chair, I think it's from IKEA too. And I have this for my feet. Then I have some storage area under the table, and here I have my scanner and this box that I recently bought, and I'm storing some other watercolors, but I use it mostly for pressing down into the scanner when I scan new things. So yep, this is my side of the studio with views to the street in Barcelona, and I hope that was inspiring for you. I will leave the links of everything down here, and let me know, ask me any questions. This, as I was saying, it's something I was looking for a long time when we were moving here, and I couldn't find lots of videos. Like, they were all so perfect or so, I don't know, made for them, you know, like I couldn't find things that work for me. So hopefully this inspired you. And as always, please leave comments, subscribe, and if you want to get notifications when I post a new video, all you need to do is ring the bell next to the subscribe button and YouTube will send you a notification.